Welcome to KidzHub! We're so glad you're here! Let's bake
Cody
some
cracks
fun!
the eggs in a yellow
Let's crack
bowl.
them all in! Yes, more eggs! Look
JJ
at the
steals
mix.
a chip from the
Yay, we
chocolate
did it.
roll. Floor on the counter, floor on the floor.
I have an idea! Let's
Oops,
make something
they
yummy!
laugh.
Yeah, let's
Then
do
spill
it!
a
I'll
little
add the
more.
milk
Cody
and I'll
and
mix it.
JJ make muffins. Saturday morning mess. Sugar on the fingers, apron on over the dress and the vest. Cody and JJ make muffins, tasting as they stir. If we add one more sprinkle, there'll be extra us, extra her. Oh yeah. Timer on the oven, dancing while they wait. Sing a silly song about how they're gonna taste great. Noses to the window, watching better eyes. First one's mine, they say at the same time. Cody and JJ make muffins, Saturday morning mess. Sugar on the fingers, apron on over the dress and the vest. Cody and JJ make muffins, laughing as they burn one tray. It's okay, we'll frost the good ones and eat the crumbs anyway. Blueberry battle on a silver tray. One for you, two for me.